নেটওয়ার্কের ডিস্টার্ব যে আমার ক্লাসের সময় নেই ডিস্টার্ব করে সবাই থেকে
এই ডিস্টার্ব করে বিরক্তি লাগে
কি রেকর্ডে সে কি হয় না সেটা বুঝতেছি না সারা কথা থেকে যেটুকু নিচে একটু থেকে দিতে হবে আগেরগুলো যদি না হয় ওরা বলতেছে আগেরগুলো ডিলিট করে দেওয়া প্রথম থেকে নেই ওই সময় নেই পুরো আমি আমার প্রথম থেকে নিই এটা কি হয়েছে না হয়েছে কিছু বুঝি না খালি ডিস্টার্ব এই এখন আসতেছে এসে স্টার্ট ভিডিও ক্লিক করতে স্টার্ট ভিডিওতে আসো বেশি কি একটু দেখেন কি আমার তো যেমন হয়তো কম্পিউটার স্কার একটু আসে এসে দেখতে যেতে হবে ঠিক আছে আমার সাথে কথা থাকে স্টার্ট ভিডিওতে আসে মনে দেখ এই ভাই তো আসে Hello my dear students, I'm sorry for late for the problem of network. I'm starting from the rest of the class. Our question is, what does the clause "it is simple and easy" mentioned in the text indicate? The answer is, the clause "it is simple and easy" means that one can easily present oneself before the entire world and look into other profile with the help of social network. D. Why are the social network expanding so fast? কেন social network এত দ্রুত ছড়িয়ে পড়েছে? The social networks are expanding so fast because I am giving some clue. 1. They are cost-free. 2. They allow the users to make their profile public before the entire world. 3. They are simple and easy to operate. 4. They allow users to upload pictures, multimedia comments, and modify the profile. 5. They have a privacy protection policy. These are found in your passage. You have to find out the point from your passage. E. Do you think that Facebook plays a great role to make the world a global village? Why? Why not? তোমার উত্তরের পক্ষে অথবা বিপক্ষে যুক্তিটা দিবে। Answer. Yes, Facebook plays a great role to make the world a global village. It has made people around the world more interacted with each other in a way where they are all in individual community living on the same planet. সবাই যেন একই গ্রহে বসবাস করছে এইভাবে ইন্টারনেট আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করছে। The answer of 3 norm is unseen passage. So I am reading a seen passage. This population is at the risk from global warming. Climate change is increasing the water temperature in lakes, rivers, and seas. This indicates there is less food and supply of oxygen available for fish. It again means that fish may not grow properly and may have fewer generations. If temperatures rise even by 1 or 2 degrees Celsius, some fishes will be extinct from our planet. Climate change increases the pressure on fish population, and these fishes are treated as one of the most valuable biological assets. 40% people of the world depend on fish for their protein. In case of our failure to reduce greenhouse gas emission, we will increase the pressure on fish. Thus, people depending on fish will suffer from malnutrition, hunger, and poverty. Again, we are going to answer the question. The temperature rise or water in rivers, lakes, and seas has dash in the society of food and oxygen for fish. Here the answer is resulted. I am writing this on the board. Answer to the question number 3. A. Resulted. B. and reproduction of fishes are being hampered? The answer is role. The answer is role. If temperature rise goes on in this rate, it will cause the death of some fishes. Death of some fishes. What is the answer? Extinction. Extinction means अस्तित्व. Extinction means अस्तित्व. If this happens, people dash on fish as the main source of protein will suffer a lot of problem. The answer is depending. The answer is depending. Depending. A possible solution to this problem is the dash of greenhouse gas emission. So what is the answer? Reduction. Reduction. Reduction means কমিয়ে ফেলা. Now we are going to another question. Question number 4. There is some information transfer which are given as a table. We have to answer the question only by numbering. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president of the USA. He is famous for his Gettysburg Address. It was delivered by him during the American Civil War on November 19, 1863. Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809 in Kentucky, the USA. His parents were from Virginia. In 1819, his mother died. Then his father moved to Indian Estate. He grew up there. He was a captain in the Black Hawk War. He got the nomination for president in 1860. Then he became the president of the USA in 1861. Lincoln declared a ban on slavery in America on January 1, 1863. He was re-elected president in 1864. On Good Friday, April 14, 1865, he was assassinated at Ford's Theater in Washington. Assassinated means Gupta Hatta. Assassinated means Gupta Hatta. I am writing this for you. Assassinated. Assassinated means Gupta Hatta. Now we are going to answer the question. One no, bird, days. The gap is, we have to write this. Born Kentucky, the USA. Kentucky, the USA. I am writing. Question number 4. Yeah. Kentucky, NTUCK. Kentucky, the USA. We don't give A. There is 1, 2, 3. So I have to give 1, 2. Kentucky, the USA. Second now, dash name of events. The gap is name of events. So the answer is Gettysburg speech. Gettysburg speech was delivered. You can find this on your passage. 3. Became the president the USA dash 1861. 1861. Banned slavery. The gap is in place. The answer is America. Died. The get this in place. So the answer is at Force Theatre. At Force Theatre. You can find this on your passage. Now we are going to another question. 5 question. Summary. We have to write the summary of the passage from reading out the passage. 6. Match the parts of sentence given in column A, B, C to write 5 complete sentences. I am writing this on the board for your better understanding. A plus 3 plus 4. A plus 4. B plus 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. C plus D plus 1. E plus 4 plus 2. Plus E plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. This is the answer of the question of 5. We have to write this sequence like this. Then we have to write the full sentence. I am learning this. I am teaching this to you earlier classes. 1 plus 3 plus 4. We have to check the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. Now we have to write full sentence. Full sentence. Okay? We have to write the full sentence. I am reading out this. The Japanese are law-abiding people. Japanese are law-abiding people. They never drive or cross the road in violation of traffic rules. No Japanese, he or she, alone on the street will violate the traffic rules. So long the red signal continues, a driver will keep the vehicle standing on the road. At dead of night, when there is no transport, someone is found waiting on the road for a green signal. So this is the answer of question number 6. I am writing the answer of 7. This is the rearrange. You have to write the sequence first. You have to write this like at first. You have to write the answer like this. If you have time, you can write the story. But if you don't have time, you will answer like this. Okay? Now I am reading out this. 8. The great leader of the country whom we love and admire is Shere Bangla A.K. Fazlul Haq. 8. E. His father, Qazi Wazed Ali, was a renowned leader in the Barisal Bagh. Then C. From his boyhood, he was a very meritorious boy. Then F. One day, the boy Fazlul Haq was reading in his study room. B. His father was passing by. G. He saw Fazlul Haq was reading his lessons and tearing out the pages of his book one after another. Then D. He at once entered the room and said, "Oh my boy, don't play with your book." Then A. I am not playing. I have already gone through these pages. বইগুলো পেজগুলো সে পড়ে ফেলেছে, তাই বইয়ের পাতাগুলো ছিঁড়ে ফেলছে। This is the story of the answer now 7. I hope all of you can understand the class. You will practice the board again and again at your home. Now I am giving you some homework. Answer the board from 2018 to 2020 class are important stories. There are some important stories which are important for your upcoming exam, and you have to learn all the important stories for your exam. That's all for today. No more today. More when we meet in another class. Stay home, stay safe. Pray for me. Learn. Thank you very much.